I understand it's a mistake, and it should be a mistake, but now all I want you to understand is that such mistakes cost, and this one costed you, but everything we could have had together, so it is what it is, man. Now you just have to move on because we can't keep dwelling in the past. Mas very slowly, man, because I will be a mistake and a mistake can take, but there's something there's such things that can't go back to normal. We can't just slowly sing at sea, because and we are destroying its self-esteem when it comes to you. Probably it's because I need the right, or there's something wrong with me, so I don't see myself getting back with you.
Eish, mamela, papa wami wexabiso, like akondishotayo ngawe. Day doesn't go by ngacinganga ngawe. Isathu sobani moshe, it's not like there's something like ngawe. Relationship besinayo wasn't one-sided, you know. Le way still sengam nawe. Siqobo soba sohlukane, masithathwe ndim nawe. It wasn't part of a plan, into yoba ndlale ngawe. Sakuthanda, don't you ever forget that. Ndraba magila jo, ngadibala. I never thought I'll ever fall in love. Gogo nsemathandweni, ngiqhubha phulukamiste love. Baby, meaning you can't just leave me behind. Kuwe ndiyonela, just been phethwe kunyoluka. Even no pro said it. Sono sendoda sivela ngobona, kwaye sono sendoda siqala kula kona. Ndakufila.
For any reason, because self-esteem, I'm just shattered, especially I heard so it just destroyed my self-esteem when it comes to you. So like if I come back to you, I'll have to always prove myself so that you don't do it again. So I just don't want to live that life. So as far as man, because contest number side change as no as always or anything. So kalon nanosis bam siathetha like we be asking, but do you have a person, and then snowballing alone. So plan the chon and the plan moves on now. The Venezuela's one painting. But anyways, man. As for say, Kebra, I'm really tired, but now I'm going to no bona pra. This is so yeah.
Papa, I don't believe if you keep on running ingomson galbona. Jonga, kona manja ngisakhona. If you don't forgive me anytime ngachona. Plus papa, like uxolelwa nguwe ndiyanqwenela. Kodwa ngoku like it seems inqathe ebenloja liyanqumela. Ungandixoleli like ungandixoleli kwakho, I won't say like ungichomela. But however izobika uzicingela jo. You come first kuwe. I-pride ndibeke aside. If ever besekuthimenya ubuzoyamkela i-apology. And deep down ndiyayazi into yobuyayazi like ebomini ikhona second chance. I thought I understood the game, nah you made me. I thought I was a player, but the game played me. Even if you don't forgive me, I believe God will forgive me. Papa, like all I want is you.